Okay, after many attempts and many YouTube videos watching people do it and many tries to do this, and after over half an hour of messing around, I figured out how to finally put together the 3M construction helmet. See this? See this part? And say just fold it over and stuff it in. So what I saw people doing was them trying to put these plastic pieces in here. Like, no. I mean, that's what I kept trying to do and it wasn't working. Which is so frustrating. So you see this. What do you want to do? I finally figured it out. Take this, fold it up, and watch. See this little square part here? This is a separate piece of plastic. That is going to slide into this slot because there's an indentation right there. So I call it indentation. Take this and yeah, you take it and then you shove it down in, and then it latches. Finally, you take this, fold it up, make sure that strap is in between there. See that piece of plastic is folded up on there? Do not put this in that hole, put that in the hole. So make sure this slides down in and latches. Press it down, feel it latch. Not do the front yet. Take this dumb thing, fold it up, slide it over, stick it in, push it down. Take this, fold it. You're supposed to look at this up. Take it over. Don't stick this in just because it's wide enough to fit. I was doing that. You take this piece, turn it like this, and you stuff that thing in. Just kind of press down on this in here. The bag instructions are useless. And for some reason, the big brim's toward the back. Whatever. I guess it's kind of this extra layer here. There goes the sump pump, whatever. Water pump. Ow. This is why you wear a hat with this sometimes. How does that look? Better? After the 45th time, I finally got it all in. Yay. Thank goodness. That's my guide how to put on the 3M helmet. Although about 2 minutes ago, I wanted to put this thing underneath my truck. But it probably wouldn't have broken if it did its job.